Assalamualaikum, a very good day. My name is BJTIK2033 and my matrix number is 308054. Today, I would like to share with you an innovative business plan. It's called that Quick Clean, a modern solution that transforms the traditional laundry experience. In today's fast-paced world, where everyone is juggling work, studies, and family responsibility, laundry remains a time-consuming and frustrating task. Traditional laundromats are often inconvenienced, and even current delivery service don't always meet real-life needs. That's why I believe Quick Clean stands out. It offers speed, convenience, and smart technology to all designed to make laundry easier and more efficient for our busy people. Let me walk you through how Quick Clean works, the challenge it faces, and how it can lead the future of hassle-free laundry.
My name is Nurliana Shafina binti Rosli and my matric number is 307803. I will explain about the strengths and weaknesses of our smart washing machine product, which is Quick Clean, and the strategy of the Quick Clean. Basically, one of the strengths of this product is having a RFID detection sensor, which is RFID stand for radio frequency identification, which is a way to wirelessly identify items without physical contact. We use this system to ensure that there are no items other than clothes in this smart washing machine, such as keys, coins, smartphone, and so on. Also, we can customize the pattern of wash. The next one is Quick Clean is also have weaknesses, which is unproven durability. This product still have the limitation and boundary of the technology, and it is also a new brand in the market, so its effectiveness has not yet been proven. The next one is strategy of the smart washing machine, which is Quick Clean. The first one is using a smart sensor features, which is RFID sensor. This is because we want to compete healthily with existing brands, since most of the popular brands like Samsung, LG have used this system. Secondly, we want to expand the target market for all the urban in rural areas and urban areas. And the last one is company want to achieve the objective by having a transformation of brand value on par with the other good brand of smart washing machine.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anis Najihah binti Abdul Talib. My matric number 307992. I will be presenting about strengths and weaknesses of LG washing machine. Let's start with the strength of LG washing machine. First, smart control. ThinQ apps plus Wi-Fi for remote use. Second, large capacity, up to 90 kg to great for big family. Energy saving, inverter, this save power. Safety, leak detector, and auto door lock. And the last one is easy to use, physical button for all age. Now, let's look at the weaknesses. First, no full load adjustment, less efficient water or power use. Second, basic interaction, only voice alert, not smart screen. Third, privacy issue, data stored on cloud via ThinQ. And the last one, high price, not affordable for all, smart and powerful, but not without limit. Choose spend on your needs. And then the strategy of LG, smart, simple, and safe. LG combines smart feature with the simple design, easy to use, even with advantage. Control your appliance anytime, anywhere with the ThinQ apps and Wi-Fi. User friendly for all age, clear button, easy setting, voice guide. Save electricity with smart sensor and eco-friendly features. Built-in leak detector, door lock, and auto shut off for family safety. And the last one, designed for all lifestyle, families, young adult and senior. The second product is Smart Washing Machine by Samsung. Let's start with the strength of Samsung washing machine. AI control. Learn your habit and suggest the best wash cycle. Smart Think apps. Control remotely, get alert and track energy use. Second and third, modern design, stylish look with smart touch panel and multiply language. And the last one, safety features, child lock, auto shut off and error detection. Now let's look at the weaknesses. High price, no budget friendly for all users. Complex setup, smart features may confuse non-tech user. Internet dependent, need stable connection for full use. Data privacy, cloud-based system may pose data risk. Limited support, some feature not available in all region. And then the strategy of Samsung, AI powerful features, user certification. And then the strategy of Samsung, AI powered features, spreading ads for smart home integration, personalized and intuitive user experience, energy and water efficient operation, sleek modern design for tech-savvy users, and focus on premium market position.
At Quickclean, we are refining laundry with speed, smart technology, and unlimited convenience. But like any growing brand, we face real challenges, especially in building visibility and managing technical maintenance. That's why we focus on agile innovation, listening to customer feedback, and using strategic marketing to rise above the competition. With a strong brand identity, meaningful partnerships, and technical driven solution, Quickclean goes beyond just offering clean clothes. We are building the future of the hassle-free laundry, one that fits perfectly into the modern lifestyle.